Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz, and if you want to know how to get affiliate links on your blog, don't go anywhere because I'm going to be sharing with you how to do it in this video. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get to it. And before I continue though, if this is your first time visiting my channel, visiting this video, if this is new to you, make sure you subscribe hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I share everything that has to do with affiliate marketing, making money online, and building a profitable online business on the internet. So if those are topics that interest you and you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming information regarding that, just hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Now let's go ahead and continue. So how in the heck do you that you add affiliate links on your blog, right? To show you, let me go ahead and illustrate you what my blog looks like. So my blog is simply succeedwithmichael.com. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my blog right now, and this is what my blog looks like. So when you go to the front page, you have basically my home page here, and you got different buttons and things to click on and things that really helps, right? So these buttons right here, they all have affiliate links, right, that I added into this blog. uh, Anything that has a button, anything that has a call to action like this right here, those they all have affiliate links. And the way I added those is it was through actually going through through the back end of the blog. So I'm already logged into my blog, which is a WordPress blog that I use. And what I did is that I went to a dashboard. Okay, that's the first step. So I go to my dashboard, right? And on my dashboard, I go to this column here and I look for appearance, and then I click on widgets, right? That's how I added those those links onto my page or to my website. And right here where it says primary sidebar is another way you can add an affiliate link. So what I did was, let me go back to my main page. Okay, so this is succeedwithmichael.com. Let me go back there again. And I'm gonna hit where it says blog, because that's where my blog posts are showing. Every time I share something, I do a blog post about it, and then I simply promote that and give away as value, right? So as you can see, these banners right here, want to own $1 million business. That's what that banner says. And there's more banners down here too. Same banner down here, so when they scroll down they see that. My visitors see this. All of this banners, they have affiliate links in it. You click that, it will go to an affiliate link. So how I add an affiliate link to this banner here, and the banner itself, I simply located the primary sidebar for this. So you're gonna see right here in this image, as this right here is the primary sidebar. I went on the widgets and I went to image, which is the first thing that comes up. I simply add an affiliate link down here. So as you can see, there's an affiliate link on there. And what I did was, so once I got an affiliate link, so I became an affiliate of this company, and they provided me with affiliate links that I can promote. So I do it on my website because it relates to the type of stuff that that has to do with what I share on my blog, right? So going through this company's training and going through the online business challenge, gave me a good experience. So I first went through it myself, gave me a good experience. It helped me, become a better marketer, a better person. So because of that experience, I was like, I need to promote this. So luckily they had an affiliate program that I became a part of. So I became an affiliate of this company, and they gave me access to affiliate links that I can promote. So once somebody clicks on this banner and they take an action, and they got into the offer, they got access to what the video explains, the video from the company, right? uh, I get a commission, right? And that's what affiliate marketing is, just simply promoting other people's or another company's products that already created for you, and the company pays you a commission because it was referred to you. Every time you have a link, it'll always have like some kind of affiliate ID. So 1388 is my affiliate ID for this, for this specific, company. And anytime somebody, purchase something that of value that changes their lives, I get a commission, and this helps, support. So that's the way you add an affiliate link into this. You want to locate the widgets in your blog, and you can add images to it. Another way you can add an affiliate link to your blog is simply by going to a blog post itself, right? So let me show you this blog post right here. It's a blog post that I created that shows people how to create an online business from scratch and what are the three required ingredients, right? I share that on this blog, and I share a video, and simply you see where it says click here for my number one recommendation. That's another affiliate link, because again, I become affiliate of different products that helps people, right? So in this one right here, uh, simply the product helps people build a profitable online business. So it helps them it helps them create a profitable online business, from scratch. If somebody's a beginner, they want to create an online business, clicking on that will give you the solution on how to do that. Okay, so when somebody when somebody clicks here, they go to an affiliate link, and the way I added that affiliate link was actually by editing this blog post. So I'm going to go to edit post very quick, and again, I'm going to go to the back end of my blog, right? Okay, so I go to the back end of my blog, I scroll down, and then I click on where it says click here for my number one recommendation, and I just typed that down and I highlighted it. So then I click on this little link here, right? And this link right here basically allows me to add a link to that, to that post. So I clicked on it, and then I hit my, I put that link on there. So that link to skillwithmichael.com/more info is basically, it has an affiliate link in it, so when somebody clicks on that and they take action, I may be compensated, right? And one other thing that I do on my blog post, I add something called a disclaimer, right? I add a disclaimer that there's an affiliate disclosure on there that says that there are affiliate links in this post. So that's just me being transparent. That's just me being professional and letting people know that that if they click a link and they take some action, I may be compensated. I'll receive a small commission for that because it's an affiliate link. Okay, and I don't promote anything that I haven't tried myself. So all the links that I promote, or any affiliate product that I promote on the internet, are actually products that I have gone through myself, and that I believe that it will make people's life better because I had a good experience with it, and it really passed all my 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 expectations. It really exceeded my expectations. So then I was like, I need to promote this, so with other people, and that's how I added affiliate links, this affiliates to my blog. So you want to be transparent, when you posting stuff on your blog, letting people know that that there are affiliate links, in that blog, and and then and then the person will, or you will get compensated if the person decides to take action. Okay, so those are the two ways that you can add an affiliate link to your blog. But the main thing you're going to need is basically what? You're going to need affiliate links. So where do you find affiliate links, to promote? If you don't have affiliate links, there are hundreds of companies out there, hundreds of websites out there you can actually become an affiliate of. I'm gonna probably leave some of the links for some of the major affiliate networks. One of them is JVZoo. Another one is ClickBank. Another one, and then another one is Warrior Plus. Those are the main ones that I highly recommend. But I have my number one recommendation. If you want to know how how to build a profitable online business from scratch, the way that I started, and you want to really get the blueprint, to affiliate marketing, clicking the link below. If you click that link below that says my number one recommendation, will get you the information. Just watch that short video. It's a short video. Watch it, and that short video would actually explain to you how you can start building a profitable online business, how to create a profitable online business from scratch, either through affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you decide to do. Watch that video, and if you feel that it's a good fit, you feel that's something that you're gonna need, simply get started. You don't have to. It's optional, of course, but again, going through that is going to give you the exact blueprint, and you're going to access a business online business builder challenge as well that I went through myself. And again, if you access that, if you make take some action through that, I will receive a small commission, and that supports the channel, that supports my marketing efforts, and you're going to get something that's going to change your life, that's going to be super valuable to you, if going through that challenge, right? So through that challenge, you're going to discover how to create an online business from scratch. You're going to really learn and get access to the same blueprint I got access to become an affiliate to be a profitable affiliate marketer, right? So once you do that, they also have an optional affiliate program, so you can become an affiliate and start promoting their products and start earning commissions just like I do as well. All right, so that's the beauty of that. So hope this video was super helpful for you. Now that you know how to really add an affiliate link to your blog, you simply go, again, you go to the widgets area and under appearance, and your primary banner or sidebar, that's where you want to add banners. And again, all you need is an affiliate link on there. An affiliate link simply tracks where where you want your, it tracks who made a sale. When somebody takes some action, it tracks that. So somebody purchased something through an affiliate link that you posted, then you'll get credit. That's how the company knows who did what, and that's how you get credited for it. Okay, so let me go back to my YouTube video. I really hope that this was helpful for you, and if you did get value from this, go ahead and hit like. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And other than that, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation, just click that link below this video. It says my #1 recommendation, and watch that short video, because it's really going to help you understand in more depth how to market on the internet, how to succeed online, and how to really create a profitable online business. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. This is Michael de la Cruz. We'll see you in the next video.